Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm okay. I wish you very good luck, happiness, health. Yeah. Let's, children, first remember the last lesson before watching the new lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Who is the Tamala George? Who is answer?
Tamala Petrovus in the southeast of Kazakhstan.
Okay, sit down, please. When were the Tamala Petrovus discovered? Right?
The volcanoes were discovered in the 1957 during an archaeological expedition in the China Lake.
Okay, sit down, please. How many petroglyphs are there in Tamgala? Who is answer? Ramazan?
When archaeologistic explorers are around the Tamala George.
Okay, very good. What tools did the prehistoric people use? Baba?
They made them using stone and metal tools.
Okay. Why are there rules in their earliest carvings? Arshad?
To give thanks, those they good.
Good jobs. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, children, look at the blackboard, and I made for you a small video. Okay? Did you like the video?
Yes.
Okay. What is the video about? Nurlan?
The video is about the environment and the nature.
Okay. What did you see in the video?
We are answer.
Ramazan?
We saw people, nature, water, forest, mountains in the video.
Okay. Sit down, please. I have prepared pictures for you, and you take pictures and divide them into 3. Okay. The first group, forest. The second group, mountains. And third group, sea. Today's new lesson, natural environment. Yes? I say new words, and you repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Wildlife.
Wildlife.
Говорит набирать. Mammals.
Mammals.
Clear. Liars. Habitat. Natural. I'll give you a text, and you read and translate, okay? First group, the second group, the third group. Read and translate. We are going to listen to the text. Please listen to the text. Page 77. Tropical rainforest.
Track 3.9, Unit 6, CLIL, Exercise 2. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are amazing places. You find them in Asia, Central and South America, and parts of Africa. The temperatures there are between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius.
If you read the text, I give you the cabbage and the cabbage question, and you have answered the question. Okay?
Okay.
The first group.
How many layers are there in a tropical forest? Tropical forest, there are 4 layers in a tropical rainforest.
Okay. Very good. Mama?
What percent 0, 1
What percentage?
1% reaches the bottom of the forest. Only 1% of sunlight reaches the forest floor.
Great job. The first group.
What can be found in this forest? The temperatures there are between 25 and 30 grams year round, and it rains heavily almost every day.
Excellent. The second question.
What's the temperature in the forest? The temperatures are between 25 and 30. 30 years old, and it rains heavily almost every day.
Okay. Good job. The third group.
Who do we cut down the world's rainforests? We already destroyed more than half of the world's tropical rainforests and for wood or thanks falling.
Okay, very good. Let's all look at the blackboard and I prepare for you the identify task, yes?
Yes.
In each group, two people. Nina, Stella.
Mammals.
Audio.
Natural. Natural.
Natural.
Habitat OS.
Wildlife шапая табиғат. Vegetation, өсімдіктер.
Shrubs, butalar.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Our next task to defend the poster, and I'll give you the question, and you have answer the question. Okay? First group, second group.
We must keep all nature, clean, protect and care for it.
We must respect and perfect nature.
Because nature has many advantages.
Okay, sit down, please.
When archaeologists explore the Orogen Valley, they found more than 50,000 petroglyphs.
You can buy lands that are not environment friendly but energy effective.
Through solar power for heating water instead of an electrical appliance.
Okay, students, you can give feedback on the lesson and you stick it on a tree, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Our home task, students' book, exercise for page 77. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Children.